Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are discussing chapter 2 geometry from the Cambridge Primary Mathematics for grade 2. So you can see the different shapes here, and just I'm not explaining in very detail because the session is over, so that's why only the answers are written here. Just you can go through this and write the answers, and if you have any problems, so you can write me in a comment box and I will explain to you, and I will make a separate video for this. You can see the different shapes we should put in the circle have vertices and no vertices. Now in this, what you have to do, just you have to make the daily routine examples of sphere, cylinder, cuboid, pyramid and cube. So I have done it all. Now you can see that the steps are given here, and just follow the steps and make the final answer of this question. This is all about the exercise 2.1. Now we are moving towards the exercise 2.2, 2D shapes and symmetry. We know that the 2D, what are the 2D shapes? 2D shapes are circle, heart, square, rectangle, triangle. These are the 2D shapes. And what is the symmetry? Symmetry means if we can divide it into two equal halves. Okay, so this is called the symmetry, and this is also very easy. Now the answer of this one is here. It's very easy, just you have to divide any picture into the any shape into the two halves. So this is called the symmetry. Is either it is vertical symmetry or the horizontal. Now this is a page number 39, and what you have to do, half shape is given to you. You have to make the another part of this of the same shape. So the answer of this one is here. I have drawn the another part of the same shape. This is a page number 40. I am giving you a solution of this page number 40 as well, so don't go anywhere. Answer of page number 40 is here. Just you have to divide it into vertical or the horizontal symmetry. This one is also very interesting question, that just you have to draw the daily routine items with a similar shape. So I have drawn. Now in this, what you have to do, you have to just divide into the shapes are different shapes are here which has the 5 or more sides, which don't have 5 or more sides. So what I have done, I have divided in these two columns 1 and 2 with the name of 1 and 2, and I have just write inside the shape 1 1 1. So these all shapes will come in the column 1, and I have written 2 2 2. So all these shapes will go in the column 2. This was all about the page number 42. Now these are the different shapes. Just you have to write how many rectangle in this. To count and write the total number of rectangles, I have written 6 because I have found 6 rectangles and I have put the numbers as well. Now this is a triangle, and we have to draw the triangle in the different ways. As you can see, I have drawn, and you can also draw in your book. Okay, so now we are on page number 45. Here are two circles. You can see big circles, and here the instruction is written has 4 vertices, or here has more vertices, more than 4 vertices. So what we have to do, there are so many shapes are here. Just we have to put I have to put those shapes which has 4 vertices or less than 4 vertices. We will put in the circle 1. So I have written 1 1 1, and for the 2, I have written the shapes will go in the circle 2. I have written 2 2 2. So these shapes will go in the circle 2. I think you are understanding. It's very easy. Now this is an exercise 2.3, fractions of shapes. So what we have to do, we have to draw the fractions of the given shapes. That you can see. You can see all fractions are drawn. Now I hope that you find it very useful. If you want more solutions, so just write me in a comment box. I will provide you more solutions of